Hello, it's Thursday afternoon. I'm heading down to my brother's house because that's where we're working on the F-150 to take apart the engine. Well, we're both going to take apart the engine and get the heads sent out so they can get cleaned up. And we're going to check everything. We're going to make sure all the bearings are good and make sure that the rings are good on the pistons, all that stuff. And I just want to say thank you to all you people out here supporting us. It's really cool to see that people like to watch just normal stuff. You know, I mean, trying to get some of this automotive stuff going and try to, you know, get into that and see if that works out. It's just, you know, it's tough trying to get a channel going, and that's all I want to try to do is try to get a nice little channel with a nice fan base, and you know, show you what we're capable of doing. You know, I've been working on cars my whole life, so I know lots of tricks and stuff. So I'm gonna try to show as much as I can and do the best I can to make things easy for you that I can show you. All right, we got the valve cover loose. We're gonna get it off. I have to pry from the edge here. There you go. Some of the bolts might not be all the way out. How about over here? Yeah, they're all out.
Should be in the car.
Oh, they don't come out.
No, they don't,
yeah,
yeah.
no, they're. Yeah, you got that prying.
I'll take that off. You gotta do
No, you don't have to pull it out. It'll come out. Yeah, it'll come out. So, let's see. This chain looks.
pretty good, doesn't
I don't know. That's metal. No, this chain's loose.
it? Is it?
Yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah.
So, hopefully this thing doesn't have some bent valves. You know, so let me see if I can. How do I turn my light on? I don't know. I'm gonna turn my light on and then I'll come back. I pulled the valve cover off and the.
Yesterday or the day before?
You can. I don't know. You can't probably see the guides are destroyed in the side, so it doesn't matter. Like I said, I'm taking this whole engine apart and you know, hopefully there's no piston damage, which it spins okay. So we are going to dive in a little more and see where we're at. So if you can see the timing guide is down in there, all over the place. It destroyed. So yeah, hopefully. I mean, we'll see. We gotta keep those. Or no, yeah, I guess we don't. We got the ones for that. But we're probably gonna use them because they're probably. You gotta figure those ones.
I might need an extension.
Yeah, you might. You probably can get this one without extension. I'll get the extension. Yeah.
I didn't think those would come out.
Yeah, I would make sure you keep. These are these out. These exhaust manifolds are fairly new. See me fat now. Whoop, whoop, bubble, bubble, bubble. So we're gonna take the valve. The followers out. We're gonna take the intake manifolds off. Also, we're just gonna disassemble the whole engine. So we're gonna do all that, and just gonna record the whole thing, and then either time lapse it or whatever we got to do. So. All right, so right here we're gonna speed this up. We're just taking the cam journals off and the timing chains, and we're gonna determine if the cam journals are bad or not. if you look at this right here, how burnt, then I got that metal shaving stuck in there. That's no good. So these heads are pretty much they're just garbage because there's no bearing. It just runs on the aluminum. But this head's garbage. The cam's garbage also. Cam's no good. It's got the same burn marks in it. That's garbage. So now we're gonna check the driver's side head. Alright, head bolts. Garbage. Cannot reuse. They are torque to yield. They stretch. So after pulling the head bolts out, I sped it up. Just gonna yank this head off and put it to the side because it's garbage. And then we're gonna bust all the bolts loose on the driver's side, pull that head off, and hopefully it's has no damage to the valves, because the timing chains were bad, and you know what happens to engines with that. So we're gonna find out here in a second, see if the valves hit any pistons, which I hope it didn't. Well, we're gonna find out. So I'm going to jump in right here. The cylinder head was good on the driver's side, and I'm going to go back and get another cylinder head from the junkyard. But I'm going to end this video right here, and we'll catch you when we finish it up.